I continue to encourage all the drug board authorities, the PDEA authorities, and of course the police, that we must continue with the war against drugs, but we keep it in a peaceful, we do it in a peaceful way. It has been described as a bloodless war on drugs, and that is what we are aiming for. But nonetheless, despite the fact that we do not kill people that are just suspected of having anything to do with drugs, imbis na ganyan ang ginagawa natin, we are handling the drug problem in a different way. Number one, mas pinapatibay natin ang ating prevention. Tapos, mas pinapatibay natin ang ating rehabilitasyon. Pag nasabit na sa droga ang tao, tinutulungan natin na mabitawan niya yung bisyo na yan. And then, of course, continuous enforcement of all the drug laws, continuous implementation of the drug war against the large syndicates. However, we also, the Chief PNP has also been instructed, as I'm sure you know, to also go after the smaller, yung nasa kanto-kanto na nagbebenta ng droga, nagbebenta ng shabu, dapat habulin din natin yan. Dahil pag nandyan sila, kahit papano, ang pakiramdam ng tao, hindi sila safe. Pagka meron nagbebenta doon sa tabi nila, doon sa malapit sa bahay nila, malapit sa mga eskwelahan, hindi ang feeling ng tao, ang pakiramdam ng tao, hindi sila safe. Kaya tinitiyak ng ating kapulisan na marami tayong pulis na nakikita, very high presence ng pulis. At kung meron mga ganun kaso, ay mahuli na kagad natin. So, that is what we are continuing to do. We are hitting the drug trade at the highest level and at the lowest level. And we are beginning to see some measure of success. Kaya ipagpatuloy natin ito. The new concept of the war against drugs is working, so we will continue down that vein, and I think we are beginning to see the good effects of that new policy.